If Google Chrome won't open on your computer, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you a few simple fixes that can get it working again fast. This is one of the most common Chrome problems on Windows, and in many cases, the issue is not Chrome itself, but a hidden background process, a file conflict, or corrupted user data. So before you reinstall anything, try these steps first because they can save you a lot of time. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more quick software fixes and tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is close any hidden Chrome processes that might already be running in the background. Sometimes Chrome is open, but you can't see the window, and because of that, it won't launch again when you click it. To fix this, press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, go to the Processes tab and look carefully for anything that says Google Chrome or Chrome.exe. If you see more than one entry, that means Chrome is still active somewhere in the background. Right-click each Chrome process you find and choose End Task. After you've closed all of them, try launching Chrome again normally. In many cases, this alone fixes the issue immediately. If Chrome still won't open, the next fix is to rename the executable file. This helps if there's a file path conflict or a problem with the shortcut that is stopping Chrome from loading properly. Start by right-clicking your Chrome desktop shortcut, then choose Open File Location. This will take you directly to the Chrome installation folder. In that folder, find the file named Chrome or Chrome.exe. Right-click it and select Rename. Change the name slightly, for example to Chrome 1, and then press Enter. After that, double-click the renamed file to test whether Chrome opens. If it does, the issue may have been related to the original file path or launch conflict. Now, if Chrome is still not opening, the problem may be caused by corrupted user data. This is especially common if Chrome freezes, crashes on startup, or refuses to launch because the local profile files are damaged. To reset that data, press the Windows key and R together to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type %localappdata %/Google / and press Enter. That will open the Google folder on your computer. Now look for the Chrome folder inside it. Right-click the Chrome folder and choose Rename. Change the name to Chrome Old, then press Enter. This does not delete your data, but it forces Chrome to create a fresh folder the next time it opens. After renaming it, try opening Chrome again and see if it starts properly. At this point, one of these fixes should have solved the problem. If Chrome opens now, great, you're back in business. If it still doesn't launch, you may need to continue troubleshooting with other steps like checking your antivirus, reinstalling Chrome, or testing a new Windows profile. But for most users, closing background processes, renaming the executable, or resetting the Chrome user folder is enough to get Chrome running again. I hope this tutorial helped you fix Google Chrome when it won't open. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone else who might be facing the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.